subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get daily notifications of my channel.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel TechMachine. Today I am going to show you how can you use a mobile phone as a mouse. So if you want to know how to enable the inbuilt calculator in MS Word, so press this I button on the top right corner of the video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, we will download the remote mouse app in our mobile and also the server of remote mouse in our Windows. So after that, we will move to our mobile and now we'll download the remote mouse app in our mobile phone. So we will first open the Play Store and then search remote mouse, and we will open this app. So I have already downloaded this app. It has 4.1 rating and it has 10 million plus downloads. So I will open this file now. So then you have to click on this plus button and then you have to then there will be option scan QR code, and then you have to scan the QR code. Now we will download the remote mouse server in my Windows also, and I will drop the link in the description of both of them. Now we will open the remote mouse server and run it as administrator, and then go to this option and click on preferences, and then you have to click on show QR code, and then you have to scan this QR code with your mobile phone. So you can see that I am using my mobile phone as a mouse. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel TechMachine, give a like, and do not forget to press the bell icon, and also follow me on Instagram. So thank you.